In this video, I will show how to invite additional attendee in a Microsoft Outlook meeting. So firstly, click on this calendar, and here guys, you have the appointment. So right click on that. So right click on your meeting. Now here click on forward. Here select the address. Now here enter the mail address where you want to send this appointment or meeting. You can check name from here. Also you can add address from this address book. Then click on send. That's it. So this is the way guys you can invite additional attendee in a Microsoft Outlook meeting. Thanks for watching.